Hello dear students of class 6 and welcome to yet another online class of geography. Dear children, in the previous video we concluded our chapter 2 and I gave you two questions as homework to do. Today we will be referencing those exercises in our video. So kindly concentrate, match your answers. If your answers are incorrect, then make due corrections with reference to the video. So let's start. A1. Okay, I will be writing only answers so that it's convenient for you. Number 1, this is not one of the 5 basic elements of map. This is not one of the 5 basic elements of map. Your options are a title, a north line, conventional symbols and a twine. So obviously the answer is number 4, a twine. A twine is not an element of a map. Number 4, this is number 2, this is one of the intermediate directions. It is one of the intermediate directions. Number 1, north. Number 2, south. Number 3, northeast. And number 4, east. So, for number 2, your answer is number 3, north east. Okay, your answer is north east. Then you have question 3. Places lying halfway between south and southwest will have a. Now suppose there is a place which is lying between south and southwest. So what will be its direction? Your options are number 1, south direction, number 2, west direction, number 3, south southwest direction, and number 4, west southwest direction. So obviously your answer is number 3 again, south southwest direction. South southwest direction. Then comes number 4. This is the ratio of the distance between two places on a map to the actual distance between same two places on the ground. Means it is definition wise. I think you have already understood it. Still your options are number 1, scale, number 2, plan, number 3, symbol, and number 4, sketch. So obviously your answer here is scale. Your answer here is scale. Okay. And then number 5, the numerator of a representative fraction is always, and your options are 1, 2, 0 and 100. 1, 2, 0 and 100. So obviously your answer is 1. Number 1, 1. The numerator of the representative fraction is always 1. When we show a scale, the numerator is always 1. The denominator can be in any unit, but numerator is always 1. So these are your answers for exercise A. Once again I am telling you. Number 1, this is not the 5 basic elements of a map. Your answer is option 4, a twine. Then you have number 2, this is one of the intermediate direction. Your answer is option 3, northeast. Number 3, places lying halfway between south and southwest will have a. Your answer is option 3, south southwest direction. South southwest direction. Number 4, this is the ratio of the distance between two places on a map to actual distance between the same two places on ground. And your answer is option number 1, scale. And then comes number 5, the numerator of a representative fraction is always. Their numerator of a representative fraction is always. And your answer is option number 1, the answer also is 1. So again your answers are a twine, northeast, south-southwest direction, scale, and 1. Do make due correction for choose the correct answers. Now we will move on to exercise E. Exercise E. Complete the following chart. Complete the following chart. So let's begin. Distance on map. Distance on ground. And last one is scale. Children, not only I will be providing you the answer for this chart, I will also show you how to calculate. Now most of the calculations here are pretty simple. They involve a simple division. But just in case, I will be showing you how to solve it. Now first one is an example. We'll copy that one also. You have 5 centimeter. Then you have 25 kilometer. So in order to take out the scale, all you have to do is you have to divide 25 by 5. So we know 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So our scale becomes 1:5 kilometers. Sorry, it's in a verbal statement, so we'll follow that. 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometer. 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers. And while calculating also, you'll have to keep this one up. 5 by 25. So it becomes 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now the second one is 10 centimeter. Here you have 100 kilometer. 10 centimeter, and then you have 100 kilometer. So let's see how the calculation goes. 10 by 100, a 0 0 deducted. What do we get here? 1 centimeter equals 10 kilometer. 1 centimeter equals 10 kilometer. Then you have 2 centimeter. You have dash meter here. Meter. Your question here is in meter, and your scale is 1 centimeter equals 30 kilometer. Please pay attention here. Your question is 2 centimeter. Distance on ground is blank, but in your scale it is given 1 centimeter equals 30 kilometer. So that means whatever this is, 30 kilometer, first of all we need to solve it. 2 by 30. 2 by 30. So first of all, your 30 kilometer, change it to meter. How will you change it to meter? multiply it by 1000. So it becomes 30 into 1000 meter. What do you get? 30,000 meter. 30,000 meter. And then this 30,000 meter needs to be doubled because 2 centimeter. So instead of division here, since the scale is already given, we'll multiply it. 30,000 meter into 2 equals 60,000 meter. So when you do it like 2 centimeter by 60,000 meter, what do you get? 2 under 2, 30,000 meter, and 30,000 meter means 30 kilometer. So our answer stands at 60 our answer stands at 60,000 meter. 60,000 meter, because 60,000 meter is 60 kilometer, and when 2 centimeter divided by 60 kilometer, we get 1 centimeter equals 30 kilometer. Now coming to number 4, first one is blank. Here is 49 meter and your scale is 1 centimeter equals 7 meter. 1 centimeter equals 7 meter. So let's see how it goes. So all we have to do is seven, 49 meter divided by 7 meter. Meter stand cancels. 7 1 is 7, 7 7 is 49. So this comes in centimeter. 7 centimeter to 49 meter. 7 centimeter to 49 meter. When we divide it, what do we get? Look here, 7 by 49. 7 1 is 7, 7 7 is 49, 1 by 7. Our answer becomes 1 centimeter equals 7 meter. Coming to the last one. Six centimeter, 60,000 kilometer. And now you have to write scale. So obviously it is like the first question only, not very difficult to go with. All we have to do is 6 divided by 60,000. 6 divided by 60,000. So 6 1 is 6, 10,000. So our scale is 1 centimeter equals 10,000 kilometer. 1 centimeter equals 10,000 kilometer. So let me tell you the answers again here. The first one, scale is missing. The scale's answer is 1 centimeter equals 10 kilometer. 1 centimeter equals 10 kilometer. Then you have the second one here. Distance on ground is missing, that is 60,000 meter. 60,000 meter. Then you have the distance on map missing. The answer is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. And the last one, again scale is missing. The scale is 1 centimeter equals 10,000 kilometer. So children, this is the way a scale chart is calculated. So please remember, you'll copy it down in your notebook. If you have already done it, go through your exercises. Make sure your work is correct. If not, use this particular video to reference your answers and correct them accordingly. Also, dear children, I'll be providing you the photo pic of this exercise in particular so that you can see properly and make due corrections wherever possible. So dear children, Please keep your work updated. In the next video, we'll be going through the question answers of the chapter. Thank you very much. Stay safe.